Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm thinking of it going to be a part 2 of my glove vlog in lockdown. So basically today I'm just going to vlog my day and what I do in Saturday. Please support my channel by liking, subscribing and commenting down below how you are in a lockdown. So yeah. Okay, so today I'm making empanadas, potatoes. So I'm gonna prepare the potatoes first because the thing that takes the longest to cook, I guess.
Picking up a little bit.
So I finished cooking for lunch. That's basically what I did. Yeah, so I'll just show you guys what it looks like. And this is my new setup. I used to put my ring light on a stand, but now I just put it in front of my computer, so it's just easier to film as I'm more closer to the table. It doesn't seem like I'm too far away, I guess. So what I basically made was, when I first made it, it was called an empanada, but I feel like it's more like a pie thing, and it's just with minced beef, corn, some seasoning that I didn't include in the video, which was like garlic powder, cayenne pepper, Italian herbs, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. I also had added some corn and potato, and then since I had so much potato left over, I also made a mashed potato as well. But yeah, that was my morning. It's been 2 weeks since I had made the last video. The mashed potato is really garlicky. Half maybe because I didn't add some butter or milk. I'm gonna simply just potato mash. Just give this a bite. So that's a little update. We are still in lockdown. I think the cases are going up and down. It'll be like 199 cases or something like that. Hopefully it goes down. The restrictions can ease a bit. I've been doing pretty good. I've been letting the habits that I reintroduced in my last video, and I haven't really got into it today yet. I just started my day with cooking. But I've been trying to exercise a bit more. My going out for walks has decreased a bit because I've just not been feeling it lately. I'm really too lazy to go out, but when I do go out for a walk and make myself go for a walk, I feel so much more better. And I just feel so much more happier. Trying to improve my business a whole lot. Sales a tiny bit, which is pretty good. I'm really grateful for all the money I have been receiving lately. I've been trying to integrate meditation into my life, and it's been going pretty great. It's been the second day of me trying to meditate in a row, and I have been guided meditations, so it's just more easier. I think the issue last time I was trying to meditate by myself, and I think that's fine. I couldn't focus for long because when I tend to breathing exercises and closing my eyes, a lot of times my focus will go to the back area, how I can't hold the position of me just sitting long. So doing a guided meditation really helps because there's music, there's person what to do. So that has been great. I've been really enjoying it. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue all these habits today, I guess. Oh my god, look what came! Krispy Kreme donuts that was gifted by special someone. Yum. Gonna eat a few later. Okay, so I just showered and my hair is wet. But now I'm gonna go and post all my socials, so TikTok, I also need to schedule draft. I don't schedule posts, I draft posts, so then next day I can just post it, because apparently Instagram reacts better when you manually post content instead of scheduling it and posting automatically through an app. Apparently they can sense it, so I'm gonna just do this now. I do have some TikTok drafts ready, and I do want to make some more TikTok videos because I wash my hair so I can just do makeup and So I posted a TikTok video for my business, but I haven't drafted any of the Instagram content that I wanted to have posted Instagram yet. But I want to do a quick meditation and do a quick nap as well because real is like starting to let me get a headache. So I'm planning to do this meditation right here, and then I'm just using my towel because my hair's still wet. Okay, so I kind of did the meditation slash taking a nap thing. We're going to do that meditation later on because obviously I didn't do it properly. I just took a nap initially, but the reason why I played the meditation music in the background is it's easy for me to take a nap. After the meditation is done, usually I wake up to it. It was kind of like a 22-minute nap. I was kind of like half asleep, half awake kind of issue. It's just a really weird experience. I noticed lay down and did meditation for the first time. That happened to me. I just fell in and out of sleep. Now I'm gonna change my scheduling again. Time to number 2. I am now drinking some apple juice. So I got this cup of Grand Big Mac meal. So this is the cup. It's like one of those bubbly cups from McDonald's, and I don't know, I really like collecting those cups from McDonald's. I think this is the best one yet. It just looks so pretty, and I had like the black tinted glass version of it and then the metal one. I only got the rose gold of it. That's the only one that I wanted to order to help with my concentration. I am going to light up a candle. So this is a candle that I bought for like $20. I feel like it would have been cheaper, but the person had to charge shipping because she did free shipping for this, so I feel like it was a pretty good deal. And shipping, I know, is really expensive in Australia, so $20 for a candle and free shipping is such a good deal. This is what it kind of looks like now, but basically it's like a cheesecake scented, but it's basically just raspberry vanilla scented candle, and it has a really nice smell to it, and they have like little rose quartz inside it to help with like manifestation and stuff, but I just use it for daily use. So here's one that I got out. I'll put it in tissue later on, and this is another crystal that I got from it. So this is a really huge one, and this is so pretty. I think it's a really cool business idea. If anyone wants to like do a candle business, add like some crystals and market it as like a station candle, and then put like scents that really help with like manifestation. I think that would be such a huge hit because there is a demand for it. And it's like a really, especially if you do like rose quartz, like rose quartz is really popular because it helps manifest with self-love and love, and that is probably a main issue that everyone has with today, is to manifest love, and also other things like prosperity, and then helping with stress and stuff. The reason why I personally won't do candles or sell candles because I don't know how to make candles, and even if I did, I have to go and like melt candle, buy all the materials for it, make it, and with my small kitchen and limited time, I just don't think it'll be a very good idea with like where I'm living at right now. I feel like jewelry is easier because it's smaller, and it's like I can store it and like do many of it in like a small window of time, whereas candles is like takes a lot of space because you have to like, you know, set it all out and everything, batch create it, and then have to clean up utensils afterwards so the soy wax melt. And it's just not something that I'm willing to do at the moment. Definitely for all those people complaining about wanting to pay a cheap price for like small business items, you're paying for the labor, paying for the time, and paying for the marketing they gotta do, paying for the materials that they order because they have to order in batch, bulk. I mean, I would just rather just pay for the candle myself instead of making it. And it smells really good. The person knows what they're doing, obviously, because they're selling candles. And the packaging is really cute as well. Like, and you can see at the bottom, it has, you know, this warning sticker, which is, and this was packaged really well. Like, I feel like I was opening like a part, like a box in a box in a box kind of thing. And then she used like 100% recycled materials, so that was really, really good. So I'm just gonna light it up. I did a bit of makeup. Not too much because like I'm not wearing contacts. This is not today because I'm tired. I just don't want to fall asleep in any moment and not to make contacts on. I have made my second coffee. So this is the iced latte, and I washed the apple juice. So delicious. I added some Biscoff. It's like a Biscoff latte, and I added some bit of sweet because I tried doing a Biscoff latte, just adding Biscoff, soy milk shots, but it was still a little bitter. I don't like my coffee bitter, so I added some honey and makes everything perfect. And now I'm eating donuts. Yum. I feel them.
Why are you giving me the donut when I could just eat my own?
I mean, why not share? Don't you? So I got a package today, so I'm gonna open up, see what it is. By the description, it says stationery, so I'm guessing it's stickers that I bought from this, but I'm really excited to show you guys. Because I previously got stickers and I absolutely love them. And I got like some new design as well. They're mostly like flower and butterfly designs because I saw a lot of like butterfly jewelry and like kind of flowery jewelry. But they have other designs on the website. Oh my god. This is it. Oh my god, it's so prettily packaged. What? So these were the original 3 that I got. So these are kind of like the designs. I can't see if you guys are seeing it because I'm blind. They're an addition that I add to my business. Now I'm gonna try and make more TikTok content. Hello guys, my hair is so messy. Oh my god. It's been about a week since I did that video and I totally forgot to do the outro. Basically, I spent the night having dinner and then playing games with my friend. That is it for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far, and please like this video and subscribe below to support me. And I'll be continuing making new videos every single week since this lockdown and I got nothing better to do. But yeah, that's another video. Bye guys.